Hello everyone, welcome to the Infotech channel. Today I will let you know what is comma operator expression in JavaScript. Most of the time you see in most of the libraries used comma operator expression to call any methods of a class. But you got confused that what is the code and how it is going to be execute. So here I have written a simple code where there is a employee class and get data method, and I just create object of this employee class and calling this get data method. Let's see what will be the output over here. Console the result. Okay, I have just inside the get data function I console this object and return the salary, and that is an object inside an object. So run this code. Yeah, the return value is salary 2000, and this is here consoling from the get data method. Now see, if I call this get data with comma operator expression, what will be happen here? If I call like if I call this get data method with comma operator expression, then what will be happen here? So it means inside this bracket, if there is a comma separated, it means that the code will be executed in sequence from left to right, and it will return the last value. That is here, in case here it is employee emp.getData, means it return this method, and that method is called, that method will be called standalone. This will be not called inside this employee context. So here this will be go undefined, because now this get data method is not in the employee context and there is no this object inside this get data. That's why it will console undefined, but here it will return the salary. Let's check it. Yes, you can see that the console is this console goes undefined because this is not here. It returns, we can write the same code in a different in this way also, like const get data method and employee dot get data. Okay, I'm just commenting it for now. And if I call this get data method, here again you see this will return, this will undefined. Yes, because it return the method, it is not calling here, it return the method. We are storing this method in a different variable. It means that the variable reference goes out from this class context, employee context. So it is not more from the employee context, and it called standalone outside the employee context, and there is no this of employee context. We can achieve this by binding get data with this object, like in the constructor. This dot get data equal to this dot get data dot bind this. Okay, now if I run this code, then it will console this object, that is a employee object. Yes, you can see here employee the get data function bound get data, means now this object is here inside get data. If I comment this code and uncomment the above code, again we get the output, same output, because we have bind this at the time of creating instance of employee class. We bind get data object with this, means now it is this object. While when I am returning this from a comma operator expression, still it has a this object of employee class, because we have bind it. And at the time of calling this method in this way also with comma operator expression, it prints the this object. So the main motive here is to tell you that what is going on with comma operator expression. So as you can see that in the comma operator expression, first this will be execute 0, it will return nothing, so nothing will be happen. Move to this code emp.getData, and this will, as I am not calling this method here, so it will just return this method, and we calling that method with this parenthesis. So it is here it is calling with standalone without executing it inside the from the employee context. One more example I am showing you of a comma operator expression. I am removing this code. So where x, okay, I am doing post increment here, the comma and x. Okay, first assign this variable with 1. Now assign x with, again x with comma operator expression like x plus plus comma x. Okay, how many of you can tell me what will be the output? It's easy, as I already told you, in comma operator expression the last value will be returned after executing all the expressions which is present in the comma operator. So x plus plus means it will execute and increment the value of x. It's post increment, so it increment, then this x will be written from here, and which is already incremented by 1. So x, now x value will be 2. Here you can see its value is 2 because it returns this x after incremented. If I write it like this, x plus plus, it's post increment, it means that it will assign first before increment, then it will increment. So here the value of x will be still 1. As you can see here, it is still 1. In this way comma operator expression is working. Okay, I think you got my point, what I am trying to say you. This is a comma operator expression. This is not a very big thing in JavaScript, but you can mostly you can see in most of the Java script code of calling method with this, like comma operator expression, using comma operator expression. So this is the way of calling with comma operator expression a function with standalone outside of the class context. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.